Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to pocket on cube surface. Create new drawing and I will change into part design. Click create body, create sketch. I will choose top plane. Now as example, I will draw a circle in it and use path tools to convert into 3D. So you can increase the length and then click OK. Now, if you want to create pocket in this face from cube surface, first we need to create for new plane. You can use this option, datum plane. You can go to model tabs and active for the origin. I will select this XZ plane. And then you can click datum. Now we can move in a Z direction. Click OK. And you can hide again for the origin. After it, you can select the plane and then create a sketch. I will draw rectangle as a sample. We can draw in here. And click close. Now you can use pocket tools to create hole like this. I will type into stroke all and it will be automatically create holes in these solid objects. You can click OK to apply. Now you also can hide for the datum plane. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial how to pocket on cube surface. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.